bathi uphile kayi-1 wesibili zomthola esithombeni owesithathu ifake. Welcome to the gallery. This is another episode. Yazi ngihlezi ngindethela abantu abadope ngaso sonke isikhathi. They say a picture can tell 1,000 words and there's always a story behind the video. Yiloko esizokwenza namhlanje. We're going to go inside the gallery of uYoung Kenny Bug and find out what's inside the gallery of uYoung Kenny Bug. As you know, indaba yami nama-intro isitolo esidala yabo leyo nto leyo ngisafunda ongiya ngaso kakhulu. So ngizodedela mfethu i-guest yethu ukuthi i-introduce yona ichaze kabanzi yabo leyo nto leyo khona nizothi ukumazi kangcono. White soda.
Aman phiri mfethu.
Fresh wena.
Qondile mfethu. Sanibona kwigallery, I hope ni sharp. White soda izimzima encane King Ken Y6 sazosinekwa. Sila.
Ya sazohleka nje usibone sesiqalile siyahleka bomanje already. Mfethu angifuni nje kulo ngikawula ngiyabe ngifuna ukuqala ngalento abantu abahlezi beyifuna ukuyazi aba-interested kuyona. Abantu bafile ngazuthi wena mfethu when it comes to music ngazuthi khona ukwehlisa inyawo khona ngakwena. So umbuzo engifuna ukubuza awubuzwa abantu ukuthi kwenzakalani kuYoung Kenny Bug?
Uye kabanzi ukuthi abafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngehlisa
so
ndlelani angikhiphi kakhulu noma ngikhipha into ewiki noma
abantu ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bafile ngazuthi awusakhiphi kakhulu like kwisine ngazuthi usuthe kulokhu nje ayibona lonto leyo awusekho as active ngezukade ujwayele uba active ngakhona.
Angazi mhlawumbe ukuthi abantu bajaja ngani bejudge music mhlawumbe bajaja ngokuthi kuma platforms engicreatela wona ngiyarelease yini mhlawumbe nje ukuthi ma social media platforms bajaja ngokuthi angisawa attend mhlawumbe ama events. Or angisawa attend mhlawumbe ama radio stations. Angazi ukuthi abantu bajaja kanjani but mina ngiyazazi ngihlezi ngi-active and ukuba active wami kuyanyuka kunokuthi kwehle. But angistuck entweni eyi-one when it comes to ama platforms. Yabona nje ukuthi mhlawumbe nje ukuthi if umuntu wangazela kwi-Clev ungagive up mhlawumbe kanje if wangazela ku-Khosini FM mhlawumbe ngihamba ama-interviews uzoyitshena ukuthi mhlawumbe lento esiyenzayo vele iphila lapha kuphela yabo so uzela usizwa mhlawumbe njalo every week or mhlawumbe once a month yabo so if lo kungasenzeki kuwena isifile le nto yazi osazi ngayo yabo but more ukuthi uthatha ngokuthi siya kuma platforms ukuthi siqoqe abantu because si create ama platforms nathi where abantu sizoba releasela khona then you know ukuthi if wangilandela kusukela eradioweni kuze kube manje sengirelease umsebenzi omningi yabo nakhona eradioweni suke siyele kona ukosho ukuthi khona umsebenzi uphumile or kunomsebenzi ozophuma yabo nama platform amanye abuya aphele yabo so mhlawumbe nezikhathi seziyashifta yabo i-program ithi ayisahambe ngendlela esazovuna thina yabo so if singasakwazi ukuthi siye lapho akuchaza ukuthi asiyenze lento eyayisisa lapho because siye lapho ngoba senza leyo nto vela siyenze ngoba kune-platform ebo
all in mina engikuzwayo kuloko kushoyo uthi wena abantu most of the time ba-expect ukuthi ngoba bakuzwa kwinamba usazokubona ubuya kwinamba neloko elandela inamba kanti mina seni-create ama-platform zenu la ukuthi seni-release khona izinto zenu.
Kunzima ukupredicta i-career yomuntu oyi-independent artist ukuthi ihamba kanjani yabo kodwa uma ukuthi umuntu oyi-super fan ulandela yena exactly wena unga-update abanye abantu ngaphezulu ukuthi uzulinde ukuthi uzoya mhlawumbe kwi-platform thizeni wenza something because when you understand nendlela move ngayo ukuthi why lo muntu emove kanje because you understand i-character la i-creative kulo music or kwi-entertainment yabo u understand indlela move ngayo ukuthi umuntu owenza kanje une-influence kanje singa-expect into kanje yabo so awudingi ukuthi mhlawumbe azaye uma uyifane kanjalo you understand ukuthi even ama radio asebenza kanjani uyazi ukuthi kuyagwazwa sometimes ukuthi abantu bathola ama airplay yabo so when i-assist lakho uma ulithanda and linjengoYoung Kenny Bug kanje indlela liphusha ngayo you know ukuthi akumele uzulinde i-radio ukuthi ikhulume ngoYoung Kenny Bug le khona uyakhenya ibhali khona something ezoku-inspire uma umfici so kukuwena ukuthi you must dig because lo muntu olwakami uhlezi esipana and into eyenza ukuthi angadipendeli kwinto enjengoma-radio stations interviews is because lento izombinda yabo uyankhena ibhali uhlezi esipana every day so uma ngizoya ngeschedule sakwenye indawo this means mina ngizokhawatheka ku-work ethic yami because i-work ethic yami is like every minute every hour every day kunento entsha kumele ngiyicabange yoku-improve into esengiyenzile so uma ngizolinda omunye umuntu angitshene ukuthi ngingayenza or not ayilinda kuzobe khona uba this week no yabo nje kade sihlelile ukuthi woza sekuvele kwezubani ozobe suka kude uma kancane this means mina ngisenayo plan lapho yabo kanti uma uyi-super fan you know ukuthi umuva kanjani lo muntu lo sokumsupport and now uzomuva ngale ndlela yokuthi akumele uphuthele yabo
so I believe ukuthi wa lose ipage lakho
Mawucabanga futhi
akulona ukuqala so mawucabanga lo ukuluza kwakho ipage anginayo impact ukuthi abantu bayijele ukuthi mhlambe usuquiet asiqale sikhuluma ngalo yokuluza ipage lakho because khona engalibona engangikwazi noma my friend loyana engangimbona lapha noma yini lo muntu lengathi ngiyabona ukuthi hawu lo muntu lo ushama live lana kodwa manje asithi labathi bangaphandle lela page lakhe lakulahlekela lensana ukulahlekela recently lana ama followers amangaki
99,000 close to 100k because ngase ngithatha ukuloza laba 100k laba active kakhulu ngisanda ukuloza which lokho okwangenza ngafuni le positive then ukuthi ngikhalele ukuthi ipage lami ngelozele yabo because lapha yana ngase ngibuka ukuthi yazi le page benginalo kodwa bengingadeliver yabo abantu it doesn't matter ukuthi uyangikhenya ibhalini no active they want something they want to be entertained and lo muntu ibhizi post ama video ay quality lama video khona yabo ama Indian movies yabo ngiyabona so le shani le next time mase ngine following kufuna ngideliver kahle afuna ngilake ngiconcern ukuthi bayakhula yini abantu ngizoshaya nini 10k ngizoshaya nini 12k ngizoshaya because it's like ngistuck ekutheni ama numbers ngiwenzela ama numbers yabo because nangu umuntu usentshotshela ipage manje uyadeliver and uthola ama views ngaphezulu kwami mina kade ipage weyilami so I must create something new and learn from into engiyiluzile yabo
so wena how do you lose the page leli ukuthola nini ukuthi hayibo ipage lakho selilahlekile ukephi ngaleso sikhathi
I think October besanda buye Jozi besanda buye Jozi because bekade ngibhizi ngipromote ibhele bekade ngisanda kuya kuyona eJozi yabo busy nje ngikhipha content yabo ngithola notification engazo siphuma ku Facebook yabo kanti it's a scam link yabo mayifika ayifike ngathi phuma ku account inano F lo oblue ungazi ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ukubona maybe lokho maybe soviolate ama rights mhlambe social media bonke kanjalo then basenda ama option azoba ne space sokusifaka ama link la ama cookies link yabo for i-session nakho kuyona kade online yabo so that izoba safe account yakho baze babhala ukuthi you might lose it in 24 hours if ngekho action owenza can no then the is scam sokuthi amasend ama link lawa ufana uthi lo muntu ngimnika the full access to your page but not full access kahle because akwazi ukushintsha igama akwazi ukushintsha ama details yabo ukwazi ukusebenzisa ama pictures angaphakathi ku page that's why la eshintsha meshintshe profile picture sebenzisa isithombe sami meshintshe background picture sebenzisa isithombe sami yena ufaka content kuphela akwazi ukushintsha igama akwazi ukwenza anything even ama nje monetize page sakhona ama backing details zami that's why seyehlile manje performance yale page because I think ubuya realize yazi the performance of the page izophinda ikhokhela umnini walo futhi yabo because it monetize the page yabo so anything yenza la kwi-page isa-reposta kumina isa-reposta kwi-email yami ngisanda ngithola back i-page it's just that I enjoy ukubona abantu be-expose ukuthi basizakala kangakanani umuntu nento negative eyenzakala kuyena baveza nokuthi yini ade beyisaba ngaye ukuthi lo mtshito une-following engayo engesimenze lutho lo mtshito lo unabantu abangayo no uyangikhena ibhala unswempu dog uyangikhena ibhala uyakwazi uyimarket uyangikhena ibhala uzenze yena It's not because ngake ngaspana no DM, ngake ngaspana no Push Plan, ngake ngaspana no MPZ. It's because ngiya Cannibal mina.
Yeah.
Ngila, it's because ngiya Cannibal. Ayakho umuntu ongidrivile ukuza la. Yabo. Benge ngisho so bekhona benge ngilinde. Ngisho so benge manager bengizoyiconvince ukuthi ngifuna ukuza la. Because ngiyazi ukuthi why mina ngifuna ukuba la. And yona into engiyenza ngawe Cannibal omonelwayo because I foresee izinto. Yabo. That's why ngikhulele kubuildeni yabo then ukuthi ngiright izinto esezivele sezirana yabo. If abanye abantu bebuilda something ngikwazi ukuyibona bengakaboni bona ukuthi babuildani ngibone kodwa ukuthi mina i-influence ne-impact yento abayenzayo izowenzakala and by the time nabo berealize ngizobe sengibili iphasa lento abayenzayo which i-positive and nami sengikule side lento yakhula yaba grand yabo. So abanye abantu baba nomona ukuthi lo mtshela why kanti mina ngifocus kumina yabo. Akekho mina umuntu engifocus kuyena nginomona ukuthi wenzani. Akekho yabo. So I'm happy ukuthi buye kwenzeka izinto enje ukuthi ngilose page kube khona abantu abaveza ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu mezobhala i-distrack kube yiyona into angase ngidisa ngayo ngiyarealize soko ngiyena ngingazwela mesukuluza abantu shothi yabo because shothi into enkulu like we brand kukhulu ukuthi unabantu mhlawumbe ku Facebook but no it's not. Ngina 8k followers mina elami page ngiperforma okudlula abantu abana 100k followers because ngine impact kwi game lengithandayo bona bane ego ukuthi bana ama followers ngaphezulu kwabanye abantu which doesn't work because egcineni you must feed igini lelikwakhile which I culture the hip hop. If ukhohlwa hip hop usuchomela yona ngokuthi wena usu achieve then usukhohlwe ukuthi isihlahla sinempande usujabulela ukuthi sasingaphandle sesiya phezulu
sesiyakhona
ngaphansi kwenzakalani so lesihlahla lesi yabo. That's why abantu they always challenging me because they don't see what I see yabo.
So when I would talk show ukuthi wena is possible ukuthi ungathola ipage lakho back just ukuthi awufuni
because I want to prove izinto eziningi seyiqalile seyiprove
uqala phansi ufuna ukubuilda from scratch
and nale energy yathi ikhona epage nelidala bengivele nginendlela ekade ngifisa ukuthi ibe khona yokuthi ngimove away from yona. That's why hey mangikhipha ingoma kuthiwa hayi ukusala bekhisho umthinayi ingcono nale yakho khipha ubani kuthiwa hayi umlayizi uyakuhlula yabo. I want to get away from that energy. Mangiqala uzibona ungcono wena nginami unama followers nginami yini ozothike manje ungibonelela yona because you see with lento ngiyibuilda from the start. Angisona nama followers nginami qhubeka wenza izinto kodwa kade ubona ukuthi uyavimbeleka moziqhathanisa nami because mina nginama followers amaningi. Qhubekela phambili phela mosubuyele emumva ekutheni uyangiCannibal useqale phansi. Why ufocus emuntu ongemumva kunawe? It's a proof now it's not about followers. It's not about numbers. It's about span.
Span.
I wish it's span.
Hey, Savannah sayiqala on a higher note.
Manje njalo my king. Manje njalo says.
So, according to my understanding, Cannibal is a musician, a writer.
Sure.
Ubizwa ngani umuntu owenza ama cartoon?
He creates a dog.
You creator we. All rounder izinto eziningi uyazenza.
Yabo nje njalo umjida lekuthiwa uTyler the creator. Wavela wenza simple. Ungeke usazi uTyler the producer, uTyler the artist, Tyler the creator because he creates the vision lana we create into reality. Because when we define music, we define a drama, we define a speech, we define a poetry, we define a rap, we define a it's visuals, it's artwork, it's drawing. I'm a creator. I created the vision. Born.
So, all right. So, I wanna dive in good party there as a Bachelor MC.
Sure.
Okay, before singing there, kuzona zonke lezi zinto lezo zenza as a creator, which are the ones you enjoy the most?
I enjoy noma yini ezongenza ngenza storytelling esong challenge cause akukho kungcono kunokunye. Sometimes ngifila exhausted ukusebenzisa i-voice chakra yami, which ukucula noma ukukhuluma njengoba ngikhuluma njengamanje. Sayinto eyodwa kumina. Ngifuna abantu baku-understand lokho. Yabo njengoba ngikhuluma manje nokwenza music is the same thing, cause ngi-expressa into kumina ngaphakathi is already here. Yabo. So ngisebenzisa i-voice chakra yami, but sometimes I can draw. Yabo kusayi-storytelling naloko. Kuya ngokuthi yini ezongi-challenge kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi. Iyona engizoyi-enjoy kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi ngi-prioritize yona. Because kuyangibhora ukuphindaphinda into eyi-one yabo, nokwenza into engine-show ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuyenza yabo. Ngathi ngiyenza into ekade ngingayitshesi ngayenza and then I learn something new. Yabo.
Since wena umuntu ogqoke iy'gqoko ey'ningi la kwi-game, uyi-creator, we-creator sikubeke kanjalo singalokho sichaza into ey'ningi. Mina ngifuna ukuthi size ngala kule ukuthi uYoung Cannibal as Berkeley MC.
Sure.
Yebo le nto le. uYoung Cannibal as Berkeley MC. Ibaphi rapper that you can name say ukuthi about 5 and say ukuthi ngabadla lapho. Like on the top of your head without ungabazi.
5 ngicathi ngikhulu mawuthi angikholwa ukuthi ngamabhele afikile ku5 mawuthi awu5 ngabadla bonke lawo.
Abadla bonke uba ubasho ngamagama.
Nginamapha amabhele nawaseretweni.
Between wena noMadoli bawadliwa.
Ngamuli.
Between wena noBig Zulu bawadliwa.
Ngamuli.
Between wena noStefu bawadliwa.
Ngamuli obese.
Between wena no lazy or something. Between wena noMqingo bawadliwa.
Ngamnquma. Then respect kakhulu ngama-opponents ami ukuthi i-challenge ayinyusa. Omunye umuntu usuke estadishile ukuthi kade ngibhekene naye, kade suke kade kanjani, asiphinda stadishe nami ukuthi kade ngi-attack-a kanjani yabo. Masike umuntu azongi-attack-a ngokuthi iskill yakhe egcine sizwele besikanjani. Kanti nami ngisuke ngingamile yabo. Mangenza something ngiyilalela kakhulu criticize then ukuthi ngiyincome yabo, because ngisuke ngifuna ukuba ngale side lalo muntu onganayo lento ukuthi uhype ngokuthi uYoung Cannibal uzokhipha, ufuna ukuthi analyze nami ngiba ngilyo lokhuza le, because ngisuke ngizazi ukuthi into engiyenza ufuna ibhisi lento engiyenzile. So ngiya-analyze ngibe negative then ukuthi ngibe positive. Upositive ngusebenzisile kade ngiyenza, now ngiyayibheka ngiyigxeke ukuze next time ngizo-improve. So nje angiboni ukuthi ukhona okwanginquma ngoba i-level yokucabanga ibhele ezoba khona ngisuka ngingakayazi opponent, ngisuke sengazi level mina ngifuna ukuthi i-standard ngisibeke kuphi. So ngisho unga-rap ujuluke ngeke uze ungibhithe because mina ngizosetha i-standard, angizeli uzobhitha wena yabo. Ngizodisa wena but ngizosetha i-standard for i-game. Ngizosetha i-bar ukuthi wena uzoyitshena ukuthi kuphelele kutheni kumele wenzeni uzobhitha umuntu, kanti no mina sengizo-introduce something new kulo mdlalo esiwudlalayo ukuthi awukanyenzeka nakanje, then nawe uzoba excited ukuthi this is dope. Sengikushayile lapho because usufunda kumina wena usenza into eyenziwayo vele yabo.
Amabhekle nawo more than 10.
Sure. I doubt.
Amabhekle wawasewawasha ukhona umuntu ongathi le ndoda le yanginquma.
Umcingo wayestrong, ulazy wayezoba strong methwe ngawona intwana. I understand ukuthi nangolwazi lempilo nje uyadinga ukuthi ube ne-experience. Angiboni ukuthi mhlampe kumayelana ne-age but experience. Khona ezinye izinto ongathi ungazazi ungeke umelane nomunye umuntu okwazi ukukhuluma kahle njengawe ezazi lezo zinto yabo, because uzoba weak kunaye. Menikhuluma nje uzoba weak yabo. So washa leyo nto le, uyakwazi ukurap umshita but iyayilight into ayishoyo yabo. Laba
umqingo nolazy kahle baba njani, baba strong hayi ukuthi bakuhlule.
Hayi abangihlulanga.
So wena nje
lazy khwalama khona for a few seconds wathi let me get it together echoke. Ingakubo lapha ngangisuke lami ngiye ngakubo ngiyorapha ngakubo. Umuntu uzofika lemlazi ezorapha niye khona abafethu ngichoke. Ngiwine kanjani? akwazi singwinile lapho yabo umcingo naye washawa izinto ezicishe ifani yabo but ama lyrics akhe strong wena potentially yena usangibhiza.
So would you say ukuthi wena kahle la kwi Berkeley rap when it comes to string uMayweather?
Ngingasho kanjalo because uMayweather ngeke ngize ngithi uyi-best fighter ngokufighter but uyi-best fighter because uyazi ukuthi kumele enzeni ukuze awin.
Kodwa manje uyakhumbula from back manje wamlandela uMayweather before azimali waye best pound for pound fighter like wayeya to a point
ukuthi ngisho iskill anaso
develop iskill ke manje
so nesokuthi wenza into engakuhlula but wenza lokho necessary
lokho necessary
ukumenza ukuthi akhathala akakwenzi lesimini usebenzisa lento then usebenzisa yabo ungajima kakhulu kunaye lapho inakushaya yabo
plus uyakudedela wenza ishow abantu bakuthetha awuzamile kanti akade kubalela ukuthi
hayi uthi lento lejatshulelwa abantu lezokukhathaza lento disadvantage
noma wethu menzela imali lento le cause njalo bethe opponent babone ngazi ukuthi hayi uzozama ngoba wacishe
usenalento ukuthi into edayisayo ngayo ukuthi kune assumption yokuthi uzolusa hayi ukuthi siyobona uMayweather kingumuntu sifuna ukubona uMayweather shawo
which is the same thing kuwena abantu fethu nami ngifuna uqala nothi uthi ngiyakubonelesa noma kanjani kodwa nami ngiyafisa ukubona umuntu ozokushaya
sifuna uunderstand yabona uma ukuthi entertainment uyayithanda fethu mase nje fethu don't hate the player, hate the game. If you love the game, then you understanding yakhe iba different because you understand ukuthi ama players wonke enziswa ukuthi game yona ihamba kanjani. So if now you are trying to manipulate the game, izosebenza to your favor. Yabo. Ama players ayekadlala wena deal ne game ukuthi igizane kanjani.
Enjoy game.
Yeah, then enjoy.
And futhi lento yoba viral mhla wathi ushayiwe.
Futhi ngiyovuma mfethu. Yabo ngicabanga ukuthi futhi enye into eyenza ukuthi nomunye umuntu afunde something ukuthi akumele ube nalento yoku inkane engakukhulisi kwa wena awuyidingi dog.
Asike
njengoba sineyikili izokurapper ehlukahlukene siyakhompisa nosukuthi omunye uneshow ukuthi ayabona ke lesami ke nje sovana usalinde ukuze omunye umuntu onswempuze na ube inspired uthi akunale level le osengitry nami into eshayela umtshita ngibo singeyami ivoice noma ngesami skill ngaphuma uinspire omunye umuntu owenze something ongekuyenze wena kanjalo but uma ucabanga ukuthi wena nje yilo ohlele esihlalweni esiphezulu noma bengenzani wena ngowenza ayikho into enjalo uzophela inspiration motivation yabo nje uzostuck
which proves the fact okunye fact ukuthi one of the best Berkeley MCs nayi award yakho from Channel O. This was what Tom Kazenga award le what was going on there.
La ngangiyele into la mangifike egate mhlangano Rashid ngangiyele i10k challenge le Red Bull
Red Bull
iplay kwasekuyiplay bangifika lapha egate uRashid sizofuna ama-tickets okungena ngaphakathi angitshela ukuthi kunenye i-competition ye-battle rap ese-main stage esikhulu izihlweni u-3 feke kube i-stage se-Black Studio esikhulu le-performa khona ama-acts amakhulu then mase kuba nayo i-10k okhona no-Leader Strats la aqala khona wonke nama-beef ukuthi bafuna ungibhefisha today. So laphana ngangele impahla le ngaphuma kwi-final yayo kodwa ngale sengiwinile ngoba leyana babeshoda ngale main stage ngabo ngumabhele uRashid mangihlangana nawo ngitshela ukuthi amanye ama-artists awafika ngakumele abhekishe ku-main stage mangifika mina khona umjito ngingqomela umjito ngithathela u5k ngiyaqhamuka ngihlangana namajita ngitshela ukuthi kuyaqalwa ngale ku10k ngiphethe award mina ne-check enkulu ngizobanika yona ngidlulela phambili kwa ukuthi ke unfortunately ke so sihlaphe ngase ngi-overwhelmed nami ukuthi naku ngizohamba nama-check out
kwi-10k no you made it to the final.
Ngoba i-final i-semi-final ya-Leader Strats nomunye umjita babhusha wabili so uFroze wawina nge-semi-final ekade kuyimina naye so i-final kwaba yimina noFroze because enye semi-final it was both guys.
Number 2 I told you
Number 2 wenge waphume because wakade kuyi semi final angithi
yeah
ngisho kuthiwa kwazoba ne confusion ngisho kuthiwa kade number 2 edingakala kwazoba ne confusion ngoba ifinal ayisabanga khona sekubo ukuthi lenye semi final iyaboza kakhulu yabo so ifinal bekuyile and nami into yangiluzisa lapha ngaxuba ama verse dog
waxuba ama verse
yabona into leyo ukuthi uprepare i-performance uprepare phezu kwenye beats uzomixa ama-verse ube ne-hook entsha yabo create a new hook entsha ezoba cage uzofika na something new kodwa enalo file ojwayelekile ngavele ngamixa ama-verse sengibuya ngo-verse 2 ngabuya ngelinye i-verse elingayenzi lento ekumele ngiyenze yabona nami ngisengiyaqhubeka ngiyaperforma sekunalento ukuthi fuck akunoa le verse leli man yabo ngiyakwi-4 bar ngiyasho ukuthi fuck lapho kuqale mina vele umjidi ngakubo uzosimese nje Soweto the crowd vele bonqoma nje lo obvious ukuthi vele ungena second round uzokwazi ukumanipulate i-crowd vele ingakubo anyone ngengoma nje soft futhi nakhona hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe ingoma hard kwavele kwaba nje easy win for yena
ngicabanga
kwa easy futhi because i-final ayisekho yabo
because at least wasuthola umthobathization 5k ne-award
kwa sengicabanga nje sengihamba ukuthi meswa
15k
so half manje wale mali I think kumele ngiwin kodwa ngoba ngitholile it's fine
this mfethu ngifuna silalele ibhekle le emva kwalo siqeda ukuyilalela sikhulume ngayo this is enye ibhekle yakho no Big Zulu lana mfethu lawa mudla khona ukhuzini ngisho kanjalo swamudla because usho kanjalo ukuthi wena awukazi udliwe bayibona lo nto le
ibhekle iwork nebhekle
asilalele sis abazoyija it's old vele how many years ago
angazi bani 9 years or bani 2014 manje kwaba 2013
cabanga more than 10 years manje
2024 2013 why lo muntu afaka i-beat lakho lethi sayamsana nabo fula bet ngizokudla ngizwile thuso mnandi wena mkhaya uyinyone endiza ngakini uyingube ezinekwe chemist ngoba ngizothula emthini ngithule emthini ejozi lempasi ibheda phindele back vile ngoba lana akekho ozokuncenga
phindele back vile
abekho proud nawe bafuna ukwenza exchange bafuna 5 cars nawe uringa loud nawe kanti awukho blind nawe ngiyeza lapha ejozi ngizoperforma ngidli crowd nawe bazini osihlabalaze le-radweni ama-tracks akhanengqembu repinde ebheke eceleni yazini le-studio kuhleli nophuna yazi ngiyawakhohlwa la malines nosinganise ngiwashayo ethini kwi-back to the city wonuka ugqoke phanqa nomplaselo kade wawuthunga uthi uyababa ngobekhanda unamaqwatha usanda njengesidako esibroke esokweleta isiqatha yawona umntala zophela utshwala loku wokuqala ubuso buyashobana ngathi ngutata mina ngizoklasa masu uyathwala ukuthi uhlale lokwena uzoshaya munkangantwana masu uyakhala uhambe uyolala mdlalwa
okay ngicela kusondela bomndeni bazolahlela inhlabathi nami ngishayele lo verse ezoslehlisa abathalathi uxolo mfundisi wami ngicela ukhalele phakathi kule game ungathi phila PSL ungathi sapa ngeke ubuye mnganami ubohamba ithuba likanoba kusho ingoma mawakholwa kuduma izulu mangahloma uzulu heavyweight nompriest walamlelo
sewacula manje uzulu
ububi bakhona awunaba beyinja kodwa uyasaba
yazi wena crowd ngemumva what director engaqali nanokudisa
amafenembukaniizima lilandela manuka ngigijima ngiphele esweni indlala yami ibhale eswela ngijabulanga ngiphuma esifeni nginikela iphepha nepeni ndaba yakhe ayikhulunge simuma iphelele ezandleni akamqedanga nometriki kodwa usifune emaphepheni no homo uround 2 mude ngisazokudla ngikuzi ningamhluli ngathola ilayisensi ephusha how can you win I don't understand kule busuku ngeke ngimele umfazi wami ngifuni understand yathi ngayela ngishuka yapha mungamshula I'm on the spot ngangibizwa ngofikile embalula Zulu work move back ukafiki kwi-level yami useless kwi-rap ngahlule nekenge yakho crude vela nibek lingana nengezo yami 2 fake usuke unginutsela ngenwele zakho yazi nawe uzobona uyodliwa zophakela ukudla kuyintaba mjidi uzodliwa yazi awubona uhlahlele ntwana
lo muntu afaka le busy wefuna uyi-advertise wefuna ukuyi-advertise lo muntu
advertise
kodwa wayiseva ngoba iyona esinayo
bona ifakazi ukuthi wawayishaya ndoda esesicongweni.
otherwise
So now what was happening? Uba wayihlanganisa le batch ihlangana kanjani?
le batch le into engiyithanda kakhulu ngayo ukuthi i-blueprint to i-battle rap yesiZulu kakhulukazi ema-radioweni futhi yabo
Yeah.
nje yona yasetha nje umaka ukuthi le nto iyenzeka yabo because kahle kahle yona yakhozwa ukuthi ngangine-battle noSbuda P. Le battle le yakhona ngayibiza ngokuthi ithe versus i-competition yengoma ukuthi uyaperforma nami ngiyaperforma yabo. Then mina noSbuda P sasa senze be interesting because vele kade kuqabiwe yabo naye weseze wabhethisha nompriest ingabe mention uRazo la uRazo wase uRazo umpriest wase bhetishile naye waduze I think yeah waduze I think to Razo yeah no wawin yeah wawin. So mina ngamdisa sasiSbuda P savumelana ukuthi asenze be interesting more sivele senze i-battle kodwa so yenza phezulu kwama beats yabo
Yeah.
and then mina ngamsela ngathi no yabo wena ngoba vele uSbuda P wena egama nami ngalesa sikhathi ngathi mina ngizenzela igama ngokuthi ngisebenzise uSbuda P ukuthi ngi-introduce kuona wonke umuntu o-associated negama la Sbuda P umuntu sowasebenza noSbuda P ngizobadisa bonke base ngidisa naye yabo. Then ngenza kanjalo kwawuthi negama la Big Zulu ngena kanjalo kwawuyena yedwa ufuna ukuthi ayiphindiseleleke yabo because ngawina mina against uSbuda P so that means ngisaqhubekela phambili so yena wasefuna i-battle ke yokupheka ukuthi lwala yena okhulume naye akwazi angathula then saba nale battle since lapho ke kwaba nama battle Khosini FM
yabo le bahle ukhuluma ngayo mfethu le noSbuda P I think I have it la wena wava nasukela igoli nje walithuka
ngayibona i-opportunity ngathi no lo Potsho lo nguye plus ubona uPotsho ngathi no
plus mfethu ngicabanga ukuthi wena mfethu you are one of the few if you're not the one owakwazi ukwenza le crossover yokuthi abaculi bala eDurban be hip hop bakwazi ukuthi baspanisane nalabaculi laba
especially the underground
underground yeah
because uSbuda P eqala ukuza leThekwini weza after the battle yona yami eyenza i-relationship yakhe no-MPZ ukuthi izimenze abhukhwe abhukhwe kwisho ya MPZ yayise Whitebank then from lapho senze i-track i-3 Chains sasondawonye studio weqala ukuba seDurban yabo i-experience yakhe yokuba seThekwini azabona ulwandle it was because of the battle yayisukela kule battle yabo.
And manga ukuthi angiqamba manga mfethu ngicabanga ukuthi ngibala bafethu ngibazela labafethu baseGhost asijwayele ukubezwa kakhulu kwi-season scoop.
Sure. Yeah sasibeza enenye into eyenza ukuthi mina ngikubona
ababa clip la
mina ngibabona iprofile yabo ingaphambili kweyami because bona i-full clips sasiyazi leThekwini leThekwini sasingenayo into epowerful ukudlula ukuthi bona bane full clip then nasekhosini bangeza futhi so it's like bona babe one step ahead
kunathi
so mina ngabona opportunity ukuthi nalo ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthi ngimdise akadiseke namhlanje ukuze kusheshe kubusa uyangazi yabo singise ngifika kuyena induku seyayazi ngoba mhlawumbe kuzoba nzima nayo abo even F easy nginane ngoma naye namhlanje ngenxa ukuthi ngaba introduced ngoba ngamdisa
wamdisa futhi la kule mpahla le and shuthi lento okay haso isikhulume ngayo
yebo shout out to always when you Sbuda P. Shout out to my twins, Papa and Obama. MPZ on the beats.
Papa Manu Pagam.
Showcase.
Manu Pagaman.
Yeah. Asebenza ne-opportunity ukuthi ngi-introduce ingoma evenye khona ngayiremisa because track ekuyiphepheni ngizama kuyikhipha so ukwenza ingoma entsha kuzongicreate-ela i-pressure ukuthi kumele ngiphushe yona ngibe ne-tape yabo angiremisa ingoma ida
wena mphathi yaseJozi azangukuthi mangishaya unapheka ngoba awazi amafruthi mina ngikhona ukuthi ngizulu futhi ngimuthi alimaza amafistyle eJozi ngoba nibhokudi amshuli ngoba wena movie ne-accent habe susu ngalapho ayithuzi no angluzi ngafana umumbi nishimane anyazi ne ngoba ngiluzi ngafamaka futhi mina anginaba ngoba angipushi ngisekhezethele underground mansuke limbigolide ama-old poster ko-Facebook
yazi uyayizwa sami la ngangineme yabo ngangijabulela ukusho into engiyishoyo yabo
amahashi ngalapho sina sinetephen July ngingasisukubebuka khona manje mina ngashaya
yabo umuntu onikwa ithuba ubona ukuthi kade mfuni uyamuzwa ngicala umuntu uyijabulele le nto le
kami ngimkhaya mangifakulayo kule bata ngimkhwata ngenamba bamba amakhanda ntwana usedlala swala
awona uba dope la kanjalo angindaba ukuthi ngibe entertaining ngidebe
angiphumele ngaphandle njengamazinya efizi benzela ama-headlines ngasuthi Snoopy sasibuda phi wena Big Zulu ibosaki rock masuza la kwi-competition washa ama-drag please ngoba
oh ngangidisa ngakezi
wena shipha engizobuyela kwena uma-7 ebamba inkunzi ishuthi ibhifi ibuzwa kuyena ifunga ungetshengisa
Chipha emada esathline abantu
animbuye ngeyisa izulu selisahlekisa 1632 indungu ngithembisa
wena uyina la sibuda phi yazi
sina sithi mali
wena uyina cause now I think nawena ngevote liwani
ngabaqema ingozi basala nefanyaza mina ngingajisa umuntu ebuka khona manje
bazabona ngakwenza mina it doesn't matter ukuthi ngangiwina or not ngase ngiqedile bonke ngibalile basebemazi uyangithini phela and babefisa ukuthi basho something so it's a win already yabo because iBigZulu wangeke kuze kube ukuthi ngiwinile awungiwinanga wezofuna ukuthi sibhekishele ukuthi ngithini yabo so either way mina ngine second round ngisho kuthiwa ngiwinanga because ngawuphinde ngibuke cause ngizobhekishela iBigZulu yabo
yabona lezi class zazimnandi mfethu zazimnandi kakhulu mfethu hip hop yayisaphila and I wanna go back ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ilokhu nje kuzoba ile back le bese kuba isidlulele kwakunye I wanna go back to iback yakho noma Dolo Mkhize umfundisi yayibona lonto le cause lapha ngifuna sithi ukuthatha khona cause i-relationship yena ngathi ugesi wase-Eskom on and off angiyitholi kahle yayibona lonto le kodwa ngizobuza wena ozomchazela kahle I wanna talk about this particular incident yayibona lonto le then siyadlulela kuyo imbili la
emnyama mfethu Munyawo mfethu ngazi ugodo
yeshaya dash
Mawucabeza
kwakuhectic ya uba hostela shotgun
yabo lapha ngifuna ukusuka la ede ngimkhona umuntu ezokwazi ukwenza lana uphinde wazi urap dog
yeah ngilunge nami
ngaze nje ngizibe siyitherapy kanjani dog hey therapy lempasha first yeah i-therapy dog yazi ukuhlekiswa into efana ngabe ibuhlungu ikuhlekise because ibeke kamnandi yes-therapy dog abanga besifuna creative ngento horrible usho into ubhedo kodwa ibe creative ngale ndlela ukuthi
I want to talk about that particular incident la exchange yakhona ama-brush namanqindi
sure Uyabona lapho ukuthi ngathatha ama-second noma u2 ngicabanga ukuthi ngimiyeke ngiyabona i-crowd iyajabula ngasho hayibo Ngabudla ngimsabi la mina ngisasa ngosi ya rap. Bayisafuna ngishaya nemiqupha ukuthi yaphela ke le battle mouse kanjani ngoba phana i-crowd ijabulela lento lefaka bathi boy at least kube nami ukuthi ngidlala igame ngendlela efanele ngizimele ngilinde ukuthi ngirap mama ajabula hayibo ngisho nami ngajabula mangipheka yabo
and still managed to come back if uphinde urap
kumele ngirap because yena usesuqedile lapha shuthi yena neplan ukuthi angenze ngiphume egameni angeke ke mina ungihlale ngekhokho ngoba naku ngidlala ngonyawo mase ungitshena ukuthi ngeke ngisaqhubeka ngiyabuya ngifuna ukukora mina ngizele lo mdlalo wena uzele ukuthi wena uqoka ikhokho nama stars acijile ngizokora epalini ngento engizele ukuze ngiwine ngale ndlela kade sizele ukuthi size ngale game hayi le game osofuna ukuyidlala yabo.
So would you say wena nayo out in the grand
ndlelani
ngayo yonke indlela nje because there's been a time la ukuthi there's a time la you wrote something on Facebook and you quoted amalines uthi lo mfethu lo ubhayitho line bakho you remember lo post le ku Facebook
yeah
ibaphi labo line la
inspire abafethu mina ukuthi ngiyathanda ukuba expose nje ukuthi abayona lento enibathandela yona yabo because mina ngiyabazi abafethu ngiyabazi yabo which ngiyabazi nokuthi sometimes they confess yabo khona everything ngibonayo nje la
yes
confess ukuthi into asuke yenza yena usuke yenza for udumo wesho uthi ayimini econfessa kumina yabo so enye into after logo angisamthatha serious.
Let's just play this video wasesikhulume have
yabo umuntu mekwazi uconfessa kuwena le nto ibe on record
yeah
uyamkhanibali ngabheklisha naye bafethu ngiyaxolisa bafethu ukuthi ngenze izinto ezibhedda
basi into ugenius ngale mchitha engithandayo ukuthi understanda ukuthi kwale video lisazompusha yabona ukwenza into uphinde uxolise kusayispan kuyena because more ukuthi into ezoba public isaspana to his advantage
yeah.
So sometimes awukwazi ukuntsethela abantu abadlala ungabinandaba yabo cause wena unendaba nento yenzayo yabo it's either uyamgxeka noma uyamncoba momnakile niwini kuyena akhana entertain into kanjalo dog.
So yena ngokwakhe kade sine interview naye uthi wathi the only reason athatha la battle leyana because wayepromise imali naye
buya kanjalo mawubheka wena.
I don't know phela mina ngakingekho mina I'm speaking from those things
ukuthi wena mawubuka ibadly lento ayisho uyayikholwa yini because mina sengitshenile ukuthi mina why ngamkholwa because mina ngamshoot angithi now I'm short mawuqhathanisa into ayenza nento akutshena yona do you believe ukuthi wakunika content egrand egcineni kufuneka uyimind nawe into ukuthi upromote iqiniso noma upromote ukuthi ubani utheni is fine because nawe usazoquestioneka ngomsebenzi wakho ukuthi labantu abavumela ukuthi basho izinto kanje do you believe le nto abayisho noma unendaba nokuthi okay uyena shit.
So yabona mina what I do mina mfethu is to give a platform there to umuntu to speak his truth uyena olazile leqiniso. I would not say unamanga nani
understand lokho ingako ngikuzama ukukuvezela ukuthi une proof yokuthi wenzani ne opportunity ukuthi umquestion which nami ngenza same thing.
Yes.
Ngiyakutshela mina ukuthi why ngingasakholelwa kuyena because into ayenza nento ayisho kumina yabo. Now nesho ukuthi unendlela ofila ngayo kule platform mhlawumbe ngingakusho but now usazowathola interviews nami ngidla ngoba ngine podcast engikholela ukuthi ufuna ngisupport amanye ama podcast uzipushe now usazobuza ukuthi uyangena ibhanjoba ekhuluma kanjena nje ku podcast yakho how do you feel because it's your work ugcineni yabo sponsor ko this my king. And you deserve to get ama platforms nama opportunities ngokuthi unespan osishayayo esine impact grand emphakathini yabo because uphiripa osipanayo kwi podcast yabo egcineni you have to be honest about you and your work yabo mina ngishiva ukuthi as much as nginganawo ama feelings abad ngomjida but nginento proof ngaye ukuthi angikholele into enayenzayo noma ngiyisupport ukuthi it's entertaining but angikholela kutheni uneqiniso because unento ayenzayo nento ayishoyo on record
engabalance yeah. So cause lo mbuzo ngobuza manje na angambuza ukuthi wena ngasikhathi ubhala lapha yana ku Facebook that kwantshontshwa wakubhatha noma wantshontshelani bakho mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ibaphi labo line labo that you are referring to.
Ngawubhalo line kwakuyingoma yasibuda phi ade sanda kumfishalisa kuyona eyaphuma after ingoma usibuda phi kumele ayikhiphe nami shuthi wayeseyikhiphe usibuda phi ukuthi ugcwalisela mina ukuthi angamfeatureisha umuntu nje wamadolo kusho ngiyongo umadolo ubhayithu line wami okuyibhehle ya last year ephume ngoDecember ibhehle ngo-October ngiyenza yaphuma ngoDecember ngeke uzungitshena ukuthi into yokuphela unyaka uqala wena ufeatureishwe ngomeni iqondene ukuthi uthatha line wami. Lonto obvious ukuthi uthathe ukuthi hayi ibhehle mina ingoma hayi abantu abayinakile ibhehle wakhohle ukuthi lyrics ama lyrics lawa yabo it's not like mangisho into kwibhehle ngiyakhohle ukuthi ngitheni ngiprepare le nto kuyisho yabo so masuyisho wena ngizozibuza ukuthi ucabanga kanjani njengami akukwazi ucabanga njengami ngiyonquma umuntu wena uhleli kini ucabange into engiyolwa ngayo uyicabange no it can't be uhlale phansi wabuka ibhehle wabona ulayini ongawuthanda but engekubonakala ukuthi untshontshiwe because ibhehle wena kwingoma yasibuda phi oke goal futhi mhlawumbe izoba bigger than ibhehle kan no ivele lento isuke ekutheni wena we are inspired by me but manje usuzibona ngayo usipower yakho isinga challengeana neyami kanti mina can still expose amaqiniso akhona on record yabo la kusho yena la ngangenzela ukuthi ngidume ngangenzela ifame uyazi bese sifuna ifame kusho yena on video on record yabo ngingakubo la it's not like mhlawumbe wengisaba ngingakubo ngangenanda la kwakusho elokhuza eprepare ukuya kwi-hood versus hood lesimenze wazibona engazuthi babe prepare yona la mina ngangizoshootha ama-band singaperforma lapha ngaze ngakhumula iskipa wasithatha wasigqoka
funa ukuzwa wena ukuthi
mase mina kumele ngibe concerned ngokuthi labafesi laba bathini ngami angikholelwa kakhulu ekutheni bathini ngami mina ngikholelwa ekutheni bathini kumina mase sida engekho amakhamera cause umthina imanje nje wangila ngidlule ngakubo wangimingelela njengomuntu ojabulile ukungibona ngangijabulile ukumbona yabo
and you drop this challenge
ngiyalazi kwi-conscious amajita asanda attention more than anything ngisho somuntu ngam-expose entweni enjani as long as amehlo kuyena it's fine cause kuyena kuyi-therapy in a way le nto sekungenzela i-favor noma kuthiwa iyatholakala ngelinye ilanga vele uyangikhina ibhalo wayisho sengilaphekile mina it's either ngidila nayo le nto noma ngidili nayo ngoba i-effects empilweni yami but at least isi-public which is fucked up because mina I'm teaching you a lesson ukuthi sinahamba ubheka incosi ewo
uhlangana nanje qeda umdropele diss track
a
few days back
isihlangane ngakubo bo hayi kuthi mhlampe around yakhe ngakubo dlula nje ngasegcekeni lakubo qeda kudlula kuyena.
So I mean, ngifuna ukuqamba manga mfethu when it comes to being a Berkeley cat you know as an MC making music ukuthi elinye side lakho lelo linye bengakalazi kakhulu bengadiscover kakhulu kodwa you as a musician because ngicabanga ukuthi ne-Berkeley counter kuyona music
sure
ngiyabona lo nto le mina hayi futhi ngiyakuvuma futhi uyayenza into yakho
ngiyabonga my king ngiyabonga
and I feel like
ngicela ukucorrecta le ngivume khona ukuthi Berkeley no music the ngathi ama lyrics ne performance kuyenza kube into eyodwa i-battle rap no music yabo because ngiyarappa ngiyarhyme ngiyime stage ngiperforme phambi kwabantu abo MC lo trying to move the crowd
ngezwe kuthiwa even using your voice uttering these words is also an instrument
Yeah, it is an instrument, and voice is part of our chakras on our 7 akemzimbeni wakho yabo. So most usebenzisa voice yakho usebenzisa enye ama powers onayo. Ingawo kumele ube careful ukuthi uthini because you might hurt umuntu or build umuntu yabo.
Yeah. So I believe you're one of the best, and I believe ukuthi like KZN omunye abantu abashina lights ku Berkeley rap, because ngicabanga ukuthi ama Berkeley raps akhe Berkeley rap ngeke siqamba manga sithi ama numbers aya decline even when it comes to attending ama events abo, even on social media futhi mawubheka lapha ama lokhunja part, kodwa wena silokubona ama numbers akhe nokuthi caca yabo lonto lo. So ngizokusho mina mfethu continue shining lights lapha ku Berkeley rap.
Ngiyabonga Ken, ngiyabonga.
South Africa isiphetho
Hayi. Nezinja face uyabona nje face umuntu into ayenza uyenza ngoba kunabanye abayenzayo futhi ekumnandi ukuyenza ngoba nawo bakhona yabo. Yabo manje kuthiwa nje we are the best iqala lapha indaba yayonakala because manje sekumele ubheke ukuthi ubani njengami engaqhathanisa kanti mosabuka ukuthi sisonke sikhona abantswempolo uhlezi unalento ukuthi nga improve and all of abantswempu ngempela and abanye baningi abaqale ngaphambi kwami njani lezi abarapha ngesingisi ke bona ke i-most abo bona bayenza to a level ledingakalayo. So mina that's why ngiphusha kakhulu because ngifuna ukuthi ibe family nakulabantu laba bazi ukuthi kasi rap bani bazi ukuthi rap there. It's not like ban rap, ban. It's writing lyrics, standing in front of the audience, performing, trying to move labantu laba ukuthi bafile lento eshoyo. Ukuthi it's rap or what? It's drama. Sayinte yi-one yonke le shandisi le yabo. It's arts. Yabo.
Yeah. Mina ngingakusho ukuthi first you are one of the best like KZN.
Ngiyabonga makhulu.
Shining the lights. Kodwa mina I wish nabantu abawu-2. And I told you this before ngifisa ukubona nawe stage.
Sure.
Between uCrack ihlezi bembalekela.
Sure.
Abafika
ama-opponent akhe. Ngiyamhlonipha umjida first kakhulukazi ngoba wasemlazi and uyasirepresent. But eskillini anazo. Mayithiwa hleli phansi. Yabo ngithiwa ngiya-react ama-battles zakhe.
Yeah.
Ngiba ngakuyena ngoba i-opponent yakhe vele ayikho into ekumele ngiyisupportele yona.
Yeah.
But ayikho into engiyisaba ngo-Crackpot dog. Ayikho dog. Yabo mase ngiyahlaziya ama-lyrics akhe ngibona ukuthi yini engibona i-threat ento enayishoyo. Ayikho into ayenzayo engingayenzi. Ayikho into angalishaya ngingane ngishaye kangcono. Ayikho into violent angayisho ngezisho kangcono.
Wena kana.
Yabona bethu. Yabona umjida bethu mina. Ayikho into engamonela yona futhi. Ngimhlaziya as a fan. Ngiba ngakuyena mebhelisha omunye umuntu ayekho omunye umuntu engingazi mebhelisha unless methiwa ubhelisha nomuntu mhlawumbe ngiskima naye but so far ngisuke ngisupporta yena but still angifile ngazuthi angayi-threat mina yabo mangibuka ama-strongest points akhe mhlawumbe ukuthi me-rap mhlawumbe uba violent yabo noma mhlawumbe khona into ehlekisayo ayisho noma khona into ayishoyo nokuba superstitious angiboni ukuthi uyenza kangcono kunami because ayikho into ayenzayo engingayenzi
yabo.
Ngizama ukubheka ukuthi yini ayenza uflow angeke as a flow njengami ngeke adelive njengami ngeke abe ne-confidence yami
plus confidence.
So ngizama ukubheka into engenza ukuthi abe threat angiyitholi. So even to ambedisha naye ngabe ngisayifan yakhe because angibone ezomhlula. Angibone ngabe ngisayithanda into ayenzayo because ngizoyenza kangcono ngiphinde ngenze into angekayenzi yabo. So it's like angafuni ukumbedisha for now because ngidinga isizathu. For now ngizofan yakhe nje it's cool for now. I don't need isizathu sokuthi ngithi against yena. Angisidingi.
Lokhunja uStefani.
Stefani weak for me dog. Weak kakhulu dog. Yabona bengiqala ukumbona ebhelisha noChuku. Yabo. But uChuku lapha wayidalela yabo. Mina ukwazi ukuthi ungarapha nami ungitshena ukuthi sothula 4 bars. Siphinde silinde omunye u4 bars. Salini ukuthi nento heavy. Funa ukuthi baba. Kushiyana ukuthi ke manje iweights Masole ngesikhathi eside hayi baba kuzoba obvious ukuthi no. Ngizoba kuzodabukisa dog. Kufanele umuntu olethayo back to back kube ukuthi le show futhi nesino. Yabo ngifile ukuthi no i-challenge ke.
Angihlula ke singalwanga.
Nenye into futhi mina yenza ukuthi abantu abanjengo Crackpot ngingafuni ukuthi benze ama opponent early. It's cause mina fethu I go beyond mase ngiprepare ibell.
Yeah.
Yabona into ngikhiphela umsenayi nginjwa ngishilo ukuthi omaphi ekugcineni. It's cause you warning ngempela ukuthi uyazi ukuthi mina ngilo ngakudestroya kahle.
Yeah.
Cause ngingarapha kamnandi ngirapha into ongafuni ukuyizwa ngirapela abantu bayikhode yabona. So angena lo ngaqhathanisa ngokuthi usangafaka namanga mhlawumbe ungaphinde udokhuza uyideflex into ayisho ngilo smashinti ikholakala and uzoyisho ngendlela ongeke uyisho ngayo yabo. So ibuyela lapho kutheni angifuni kusheshe kufike msina ngimnike 10 years dog sazana more than 10 years sazana ngimbekezelele cause angifuni ukuthi kube ngazi ukuthi yimpi ngifuna ukuba ukuthi lo muntu sengijwayele kabi nganela kwa obvious nakunina angingabuza ukuthi sibangani
yabo
akuba ukuthi ngiya react to into eniyaziyo yabo and then mase ngireact angeke ngize ngiyikalele dog yabo ukuthi uyamdinela noma uyangihlela nje bengihlekelile kukuwena base mina ngeke ngiyikalele yabo ngisho sokuyihlekisa ngisuke ngazi sakumnandi yabo.
Yabona mfethu ngibone nalapha uba uRI lo kade kusalutha umblock.
Abantu enga-understand ukuthi bafuna ukuthi mesiba ne-relationship kuthiwa yaqala kanjani. Like akwazi ukuqala ngokungidisa and then sekumele sibe nengoma. Ingoma i-relationship dog.
Yeah.
Ingoma i-relationship. Abantu bakini bazongazi ekhaya uzowaziwa. Le ngoma le mesiyiphusha kale ndlela esiphusha ngayo i-relationship and yabo.
Yeah.
So kumele siqale sihlaziye la character ethu ukuthi aphilelana yini yabo. Singazibone ngoba nawo sengisa so perform unongitshena ukuthi indoda mina ngikhathele. Sengiyaboza lo mshida lo mfethu ayingeke akekho serious njengami ngalento esiyenzayo. Noma sesiyenzile. Kade bengidisa laba mfethu.
Freedom now I'm block.
Nayi le comment.
Yeah. Nayi le comment. Nakuthiwa uba uBrian van Wyk Njomsi la uthi manje uvuka ngoCannibal uyaphendula uAbdus uthi ha hayi angazi ukhuluma ngani. Then I found
the comment there yaba nokungiprovoke cause yaba nokungijabulisa somehow kodwa nokungichokuluza ukuthi hawu lo muntu akani awe ngani first of all.
Yeah.
Two, the coincidence ukuthi ngenza ukuthi ukhuluma ngami ihla kuyena.
Yeah.
I must do something about it dog. Akwazi ukuthi ungabona kuyijoke ukuthi umuntu uthi uyamdisa. Why ungazi because mina mhlawumbe ngenza ukuthi ungazi noma awukho kumina ekutheni ngapossible ukuthi ungidisa. But it's a joke. Shoot it's possible.
It's possible ukuthi ngakudisa.
Uthini yena uma ukuthi possible lo muntu engenza ukuthi uyadisa. Cause lokuza wena ukhole ukuthi ngenze ukuthi uyadisa ngempela umuntu ecanga ukuthi uyadisa which is me. Mina ngiyayibona lo nto uyahleka wena ukuthi ngenze ukuthi udisa mina.
Yeah. And there's a song la ngazi song of freestyle la usho khona ukuthi angazi sekhamba isikhathi esikanani feature angazi ungayitholi kanjani Abdus.
Yeah, no si feature nakhona. uAnda Makukule used to say mahlangana athi ngimkhumbuza their era leyo Abdus esashisa because yabo indlela engihandlisha ngakhona i-crowd indlela engihandlisha ngakhona i-hustle yami the energy yami stage yabo even my voice like the way I deliver wathi nje abo mathiwa enza something no Abdus it's either a track or something but the projects no babe baningi after yena abantu ababesho yonke labo even abantu esengeke bangikhosayina nase bamkhosayina babe nokisho lento uthi yazi like we trying to get you we projects no Abdus ngaba yenye ukuthi nami uAbdus omunye wabantu engikhule bedlala ngibezwa yabo bathina be-influencer yabo because kusukela koSean G o Mojapu kuza kubona labafethu laba ngeke uzuthi mawubazi uthi aba influencer because na into ebucanga uthi on all along until now is discover yabo so umuntu kanjalo mase ngimmetha sengimtshela ngento naye etshengisa ukuthi hawu naye uma kukhona ngitry nasho kanjalo ngempela ufuna siyenze lona isikemqondo no it's not like ngigroup kuyena ngimtshela into naye awe ngayo and then mina ngizolinda yena ukuthi uma uyena futhi osokuqala ukuthi action yama numbers and then mina ngiyamkhumbuza kuphela hayi singiyamxena yabo nakhona wesakuyide shandisile ini i-castle lights tour yabo kuba ukuthi meqeda yona ke then you can do something yabo then mina ma ukuthi mhlambe ngaba excited kakhulu ngokushesha ngitshela abantu iphutha ngaba kumina lapho because if ngafeel i-pressure ngokuhamba kwesikhathi it was because of into mina ngayicreatela yona phambili yabo ngingayithatha i-blame lapho but ayikho into engayishare manga yabo wadlula 3 years emva ukuthi ngingade ngimkhumbuza ukuthi uyakhumbula ukuthi ade sihlangana le angisazi kwakuyanqethe noma uyekuphi but ngangiyinqumile lapho wekade ubheka performer naye ngayinquma ukuthi siyaqala ukuba kwi-environment eyi-1 ngesikhulume yabo and nani ngangikubona kwi-energy grand ukuthi nje sobanga ngazi lo mjida lento engimtshela yona kuwuthi yiphupho nje into engazi phasi ungibonile manje ngimtshela ngomakukulu kumjida wakhe akhule naye yabo ukuthi uthini ngoba yena makukulu uyangazi yena akayicabange ngelento ngokuthi ungibone ngenzani and ngaziwa ubani omaziyo yena phasi kwawukuthi hayi lonto into familiar naye then mase ngimkhumbuza mina ngimxena ngithi then uma kudlula 3 years sefuna ngitshela abantu mina engazifakela ipressure ukuthi ngibatshela ukuthi kune possibility of feature engasenze yabo mina naye sasingakhuluma ukuthi ngifuna ngifeature sasikhuluma ukuthi kumele senze something because
vele abantu abayifuna for the people I understand
ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kwagcina sengazi ukuthi because nani ngangibuka ukuthi mina into eyangenza ngize ngigcine ngingazisa abantu sinento kanjalo because imina wayepush ukuthi yenze so egcina sengazi ukuthi imina wayefuna ifeature which noma ngimithola kumele yenze ngingakujabulela lokho wadusa umjito ongaphambili kwami kule hip hop yabo so mina ufane icon yabo ne-idol I mean ufane nomuntu engingasho ukuthi ngiye ngam-idolizer because uke wenza something engiyibuka ngingakayitsheni ukuthi mina ngingayenza so abantu abakanjalo abenza izinto before thina esisafe sokuzenza abantu esibahloniphayo laba esingakujabulela ukusebenza nabo yabo
abelungu hlezi bethi never meet your idols because of this reason hlezi kule kwenzeka lezi zinto ezikanje
expectations amaningi noma nezinto eziningi oyiphupha ngitholtela yakho kulelo page
which nami iyongenza ukuthi nami lama situations masenzeka kumina ngiwahandlishe ngendlela entertainer because ngiya understand ukuthi omunye umuntu usuke wama emotions engazi ukuthi lento enasayifaka kuyona usefaka nomunye umuntu ipressure kahle yabo that's why ngithi nama ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe lama calls sengimfonela nomjida sengimkhumbuza kwase ukuthi yena ngiyamxina mhlambe yabo uma ukuthi wayefile ngazi ukuthi ngiyamxina yabo but akukaze kube khona into ayishow etshengisa akafuni mina ngatsha nabantu ukuthi after 3 years ngenze ukuthi akafuni yabo
so someone sometimes umuntu uyabona ukuthi wena you the fresh bread alento yenzayo and you coming with new tricks kanjalo so le comment ngicabanga ukuthi I'm not sure ukuthi noma wona uzongichazela kwase kwenzakaleni la eze poster la cause le ngicabanga ukuthi ile poster emekuwena Abduse ndlela nhle biyasi uthi usho masuqedile ntwana but I've got a couple of questions for you. 1, seke wangicela iverse or you've told me you'd like us to work.
Exactly.
Why?
Angiyazi ke le post.
Why ushelwa kangaka? Ungabuzi mina ukuthi zikhipha. 3, wena wedwa nawo reply eSouth Africa ukuthi ungaze uzifake kumina kanje. 4, sesijwayelene ngalo wendlela yini ukuthi ungaze ucabange ukuthi ngingamosha isikhathi sami ngawe. 5, how many times do we ever see each other ukuthi ungaba effecta kumina? Ehlisa umoya, not everything is about you. And yes, wena uthathela izinto phezulu. Makukhona okunye ofuna ukubeka ngiqonde. Don't go via fence. Iba indoda sharp. and la khona
Yaziyayibeka ipost for umuntu ongamjwayela ongamazi futhi ongena ndaba naye. Yayimthintile naye in a way but wayese justify la mangibuka mina. But mina ngokwe understanding yami ubeka ama point agree because into enami engihambe ngayifunda yabo ukuthi like abantu na ngicabanga ukuthi lento wayeseyibona into serious kakhulu kanti mina ngangithinta ukuthi yena uhleke ukuthi umuntu ubona uyipossibility usudisa mina yabo. If yena wakuthiwa wayethe no cause angesena lapho aveza usuyangazi nokuthi ngingenze uzodisa mina cause uyayihleka lo nto. Mina ngisusa ukuthi uyangazi nokuthi somehow uyayiqhuba lento leyo ukuthi abantu babona ipossibility usingenze uzodisa mina.
Yeah.
So it's either mina nginendaba naye noma nginandaba naye unendaba nami noma anandaba nami yini but yena nje ukuhlonipha wonke umuntu kwangafuneka avumele umuntu acabanga ukuthi ngenze ukuthi disrespect omunye umuntu. So mina ngangigxila lapho ekutheni awukwazi ukuthi ungahleka ukuthi umuntu ucabanga ukuthi uyamdisrespect.
Yeah.
Namanje ngisangama kuloko futhi yabo konke lokho unyakushoyo into engiunderstandayo kodwa yena we understand ngazi ukuthi ngiyadinga ukuthi uyadinga njalo ukuthi ayichaze kanti wengadingi mhlawumbe yena wekwaba neexperience kanje ingako wayesebenzisa lelathuba ukuthi asasechazela nomunye umuntu ongenze ukuthi uyitshena ukuthi yabo kanti mina it was just to clarify ukuthi abantu nje becabanga ukuthi no kwenzeke ukuthi angisekho lapho.
Officer, you really think my client was capable of that?
Babumseshe njengoba ngisho mina ngimazi umulali angisazi nesikhala ngiyazi nemali ngiyazi anginacala ngidedele ngigoduke ngiyekeleke ngidlule ngivuleleke usuku angeke ngisibuke lesithumba sitale ngokuthula
umoya uthaza indaba nginalaka ngifuna ukusobala kunokusolakala kokwenza ukukhohlakala kuleli cala umsolo wena kuphela usungangitshela usanakho ukubaleka noma mhlambe khona abanye nje abangabandakanyeka
hayi mina ngazilutho angizangishuthe
awu uqonda uthini mawukuthi akwena wadubula ngithi watholakala endaweni yesigameko wakho